this video, we are going to cover the shapes of various orbitals. The shape of s orbitals are spherical and non-directional in nature. S orbitals are spherically symmetrical and non-directional in nature. This means in s orbitals, probability of finding the electron is same in all direction and at a particular distance from the nucleus. 1s orbital is shown here, 2s orbital is shown here, and 3s orbital is shown here. In 1s orbital, no node or nodal plane is there. Node or nodal plane or nodal surface. Node is the region where the probability of finding the electron is 0. Nodal surface or nodal plane or node is the region where probability of finding the electron is 0. In 2s orbital, there is one node. This is the region where the probability of finding the electron is 0. In 3s, as you can see, there are two nodal surfaces, two regions where the probability of finding the electron is 0. That means for every ns orbital there are n-1 nodes in the nature. For 1s orbital 1 minus 1 0, there is no node. For 2s orbital 2 minus 1 1 node. For 3s 3 minus 1 2 nodes are there. Now the shapes of p orbital. Shapes of p orbital. Shapes of p orbitals. For p orbitals, the values of L are, the value of L is 1 and the values of ML are minus 1, 0, plus 1, because the value of M depends upon M, or you can say ML, are from negative L to positive L. You can say it as Px, Py, Pz. Since the p orbital starts from 2, that is second shell, so we can write it as 2px, 2py and 2pz. The three orbitals are equal in energies. That means these are degenerate orbitals, but their orientations are different. Each orbital consists of two lobes symmetrical about a particular axis. Each orbital consists of two lobes. One lobe is this and second lobe is this. Symmetrical about a particular distance, that can be about x axis, y axis and z axis. But all will be the same. Okay. The shapes of the orbital is dumbbell shape. You can note it down from this. This is the x orbital. 2p x orbital. It has two lobes symmetrical about the x axis. 2p y on the y axis, 2pz on the z axis. This is simply x axis, y axis and z axis. Now they also have zero electron density region, that is called nodal plane. The nodal plane for 2px is lying here, for 2py it is lying here, and for 2pz it is lying here. These are the nodal plane where the probability of finding the electron is 0. Now the probability of finding the electron in a particular p orbital is equal in both the lobes. Probability of finding the electron in the upper lobe and lower lobe will be the same. P orbitals of higher energy level have similar shapes, but their size are going on bigger. That means 2p has lesser size than 3p and then 4p. That means 4p will have maximum size than 3p and then 2p, and so on. Like s orbitals, p orbitals also possesses zero probability region and the number of nodes is n-2 here. For ns it was n-1, for np it is n-2 here. The nodes. Now the shapes of d orbital. For d orbitals, the value of L is 2 and the value of ML will be -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. That means 5 values. So there will be 5 orbitals of the D. D subshell has 5 orbitals. That is dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. These all will be degenerate orbitals. Okay. they all will have equal energies. 3 orbitals are similar, and these consist of 4 lobes of high electron density lying in xy, yz and zx planes respectively. These lobes lie in between the principal axis, as we will see now. Now, the shape of dxy is, the lobes are lying between the x-axis and y-axis. X and y in between the axis. 2 lobes of x, 2 lobes of y you can see. dyz between y and z, between y and z. Similarly for z-axis, zx, z and x, z and x. X square minus y square, in x square minus y square, these are it has lobes of 4 electron densities along the principal axis x and y. It will lie along the principal axis x and y. Okay. Now dz square, it has 2 lobes and a ring of high electron density in the xy plane. There are some formulas describing about the nodes. Total number of nodes will be n minus 1, angular nodes will be L, and radial nodes will be n minus L minus 1. And using this, these are the formulas, these are the tabular forms which are derived for radial nodes and angular nodes. As you can see, there are 2 nodes, one is radial node and second is angular node. Radial node is basically the probability density function for NP and ND orbitals, ND planes. But in case of 2px, YZ plane is a nodal plane where the probability of finding the electron is 0, that is known as angular node or nodal plane. Angular nodes are given by the values of L. For S, value of L is 0, so number of angular node is 0. The value of P, the value of L for P is 1, angular node is 1, 2. And for D, the value of L is 2 and the number of angular nodes is 2. These are the radial nodes. This table is formed by using these formulas.